This is a 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 2.5-liter inline 5-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 49,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.